Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error 268. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. This usually accompanied by the message you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. Now, this is actually a relatively simple one to fix. So stick with me as I'm going to share with you the most common solutions to this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is clear our DNS cache, as a corrupt DNS cache can contribute to the 268 error. To do this, we are simply going to head to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, and then we're going to search for command, and then we're just going to tap the command prompt. And then in this little black command prompt, we want to type the text ipconfig /flush DNS, and then hit enter. And then you should get a success message. And then the next command we want to type into this prompt is ipconfig /release. And then hit enter again. And then the last prompt we want to type in is ipconfig /renew. And then once you finish this, you can relaunch Roblox to see if the error persists. Now, if you still are experiencing the issue, then the next step is to actually perform a clean uninstall of the Roblox app. To do this, we're going to come to the Start menu again by pressing the Windows key. And this time we're going to search for Program. And we just want to tap on Add or Remove Programs. And then by using this search feature at the top, here we're just going to search for Roblox. And we want to come down to the Roblox player. And we want to tap these three little dots, and then we can just hit and uninstall. Once the app has been completely removed, we can reinstall it by heading to an internet browser and type in Roblox download and go to their official website. When we come to this page, we just want to hit the big button here, download Windows app. And once the download is finished, we just need to run the Roblox player installer and follow the steps to reinstall the app. Once the app has been reinstalled, we can check again to see if the error has been resolved. Now, if you're still having issues, then the next thing we can try is clearing the Roblox client cache. So to do this, we want to head back over to the Start menu, and then we just want to search for Run. And then we want to tap this icon here. And then in this little search box, we want to type in the %, local app data %, and hit OK. Now from this folder, we want to come down and we want to find the Roblox folder. And all we simply need to do is we need to tap the Roblox folder and come to the trash icon at the top here. And then this will delete the cache from your computer. And now the last and final solution is to make sure we don't have any hidden background apps running that could be causing conflict issues with the Roblox app. To fix this one, we need to open the Start menu again by pressing the Windows key. And we want to search for msconfig. And then we want to hit System Configuration. And from this menu, we want to select Selective Startup. And we want to make sure these two ones detect Load System Services and Load Startup Items. And then once we've done that, we can head over to the Services tab. And we want to select Hide All Microsoft Services. We want to make sure that box is checked. And then we want to come down to Disable All. And then we can apply that and select OK. In order for these changes to take place, we do need to restart our computer. And then once your computer is restarted, you can relaunch the Roblox app. And now hopefully all of your issues have been resolved. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Error 268. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.